controversy over the Shillong?
Absolutely. You see, no less personality than the President of India had come to lay the foundation stone of the ropeway project. Do you think somebody occupying that high office would compromise the integrity of that office by randomly attending a program without ensuring whether the basic SOPs have been followed, environmental clearances have been obtained, and let's not forget, we already have ropeway projects in hill stations, Uttarakhand, other hill stations of the country. At least 10 of them are already in existence. Is it possible that you will have hill stations with no trees? Where on earth would you find hill stations that have no trees at all? And let's also not forget that this project has been created and modeled on the Swiss model, meaning the ropeway that you see in the Alps in Switzerland is exactly the model which the Shillong ropeway project has been designed on. So with that kind of caliber, with that kind of technology which was applied while constructing the ropeway project in the Alps, that same technology has been modeled for Shillong ropeway project. I hope that I'm confident that the department would bear that in mind while executing the project. But when it comes to the question of felling of trees, as I said, it's only natural. Only the required number of trees for the creation of the towers, the base and the end towers, only those portions have been subjected to felling of trees. But apart from those, there is no basis to say that this would lead to further cutting of trees and denuding of the Shillong peak forests.